YouTuber. So today we're gonna do unboxing of this flexi mount desktop. It's like a monitor bracket, but with the 360 up and down kind of a function. It's called NB North Bayou. That's the brand, and this is the F80 monitor arm, and it fits from 17 inch to 27 inch with the load capacity of up to 6.5 kilogram with the mounting of 75 by 75 and 100 by 100. And I just got this like today, and we're gonna do unboxing. I'm just gonna give you the details of the boxes before I open it. So you want to make sure if it is like uh, original boxes, instead of the fake one. I don't even know if this is like real or not, but it looks decent. Yep, that's how it looks. That's the dimension. Like how tall is it gonna be? Right, so you can do like you can make it like forward. You can make it uh, facing the other way. And this is my monitor, and I'm gonna be putting this one on the table. As you can see, there is a you have to check the width, so make sure it can grip. You can see here, so you have to make sure there is like something um, to lock it, right? So it's gonna be like this, right? But we're gonna do the unboxing first to see what's inside. Okay, hold on a second. All right, voila. All right, okay, there's a manual book. Let's see what it is. What is it? All right, it's installation manual in English. Right, you can see how many items you got. That's the table H installation. And there's a step 2, until the final. So, you know, right. All right, that's the cable management. Right. All right. So I'm just gonna be, reading all this like later. You can do 360. You can make it like into a landscape. All right. What else do we got here? A warning sign. Okay. All right. That's the bolt and the key, the L key. All right. So yep, there are some bolts and lock mechanism. This is for the table, I believe. Yep. As you can see, it's gonna be locking my table. Hold on a second. All right, so I can try it over here, whether it will fit or not. So I'll do this later. Let's continue unboxing. All right, so there's this cable management plastic. There's a gel. All right, finally, this is one of the big. Let me take this out first. This is the most expensive material inside. All right, I'm not sure why is it. I don't know why is it moving. All right, you can see the series of the NBF80. That's how it looks. Right, so might be look like this, right? This is the mounting, right? This is the hold on a second. This is the 70 by 70. I mean 75 from here. 75, 75, 75, 75. This is 100 by 100. I'm not sure why does it look like this, but I'm gonna be using the 75. So hold on a second. Let me check. You know. Yes, there is you can put a bowl over here, right? And this LG monitor. So I'm taking this out. This is for the safety mechanism. All right. So let's play with this. See, it can go up. Can, you know, can turn. This is the maximum. So this is 90 degree. And this is 90 degree. So 1, 2, 3. So about 270 rotation. And let me play with this. So there's a mounting over here that you can adjust like later. You know, there's a plus and a minus. What else? Alright, so it can go down like this. Let me focus the camera. So it can go up, go down, and then it can make this turn. See? 360. Yep. See how far is it? So you can go as far as, you know, this much. Right? So if you want to make it like this, you can do that too. So I'm gonna put it like right on the edge. Let me move this out. So it might be like right over here, or wait a second. Oh, this one is not turning, only the this one. So I think I'm gonna make it like this, right? It's already too front for me, and then it's gonna be like this, right? So or you can make it like this, and then I can turn it on the back like this. So I'm gonna be thinking how I should put it, because I'm a little bit confused. Is it supposed to be like this, or is it supposed to be like that? You know. So whichever you feel comfortable, but I think I'm not gonna be comfortable with this because this is too heavy. You know. Even though this looks like the front, I'm not sure what is this for. Right, you can also see there's a dart mounting here. Let me zoom it. Monitor desk mount load capacity. That's just for confirming. Alright, so thank you for listening. And I will be showing you once I'm done installing it. Alright, just follow my you know, just wait for a second. I might upload it into my next video, just how to install everything, because it's gonna be this heavy monitor. You know, it looks like, I don't know, it looks bigger, but I don't know if it is like 6 kilogram. It should be, because it's an LED, so you can see how thin it is, right? You can see how thin versus the LCD, which is a lot thicker. See, you can see how thick it is, you know. It's a lot thicker. Maybe it has the speaker, you know. It's like much heavier, and this one is much lighter. Right. When I'm trying to lift this, it's like so heavy. But when I'm trying to lift this, it's like much easier. Right? Slightly lighter. All right. Thank you for listening, and I'll be installing it. All right. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like button and comment if you have any questions. What's up, YouTuber? So now I promise that I will tell you my progress after installing the arm mounting bracket. This is the bracket by North Bayou, and this is how my layout looks like. And I don't need the monitor stand like this, because it's really bothering me, and it's not. I mean, I can't do rotation on this one because it's not vesa mounting, and this one is vesa mounting. As you can see from the back, you can do like a bolt over here, 1 2 3 4. With this display, you can't do it, So every time you want to get the display, you're gonna make sure that it has like a vesa mounting, 7.5, 7.5, 7.5. And this is how you should install it, because the weight distribution is good this way. And there's a cable management that you can hide like around here. See, I put my cable like this. It's not the best, but it's pretty neat, You can put the cable over here if you want. And you can also do like a rotation with this display. See, it's not really hard to do a rotation. Let me do rotation. Well, can do more. Hold on a second. Let me do it. There you go, guys. I mean, and if you wanna do like a tilting, I can show you from here. You can do a lot of tilting. Hold on a sec. That's what I mean, So there is a hinges like over here that you can, it can do this up and down, but I'm holding my camera, so I can't do this by myself. I need someone to do it for me. Hold on a second. Now I'm gonna be trying to rotate, Oh, this one actually is upside down. I need to put it back. All right, so I'm gonna rotate it, there's like some kind of a restriction here when you want to do rotate, because of the weight distribution. You got to be careful not to extend it too much. All right, so that's the way you extend it to the back, oops. All right, so so you can see it, like you can adjust it however you want. There is like a certain restriction that I'm not supposed to put this long arm like straight all the way here, because if I do that, the mounting will be off the table and it's not gonna be long lasting. Right, so I can do this also. Right, so I can do a lot of variation. Right, I can do this, so I'm sure, like, if you buy this one, it's gonna be worth of your money, and it's not really expensive, and it's not eating up your table space. It's really neat compared to this one. I have to put like a book, just to make it taller, because if I do this, like I can put my laptop here, and I'm not gonna be blocking the monitor, because if I put it like here, my laptop here, then it will be blocking because this monitor is so short, I mean, the bracket is too short, and this one is pretty tall. So this is how I look when I do like trading stocks. It looks, I can do like 2 monitors, and I don't have to, I don't get blocked like this monitors, right? And this is how it looks. You're not supposed to, this is the restriction. You're not supposed to put it like this. You have to put it like, the correct way, which is like this one. This is your table. It's supposed to be facing this, or it should be like this. In my case, I use this one. And if I turn it around, it's not supposed to be like this. This is forbidden. It has to be like this. You can see the weight distribution. There is, like, this is too long to extend it. So if there's a weight, it will tend